Today we are going to begin working on a writing piece. Writers plan for big writing pieces by writing every day. So we're going to start today by making a list. We've all been part of the social distancing, staying away from other people, which has made us do some other things that you might not have been doing before. You kind of got to get creative. So what we're going to be writing about is just something that we've done over this time period that we're social distancing. We're going to start today by writing a list. I want you to try to think of about 5 to 8 things. If you can come up with more, that's great. So one thing that I've been doing a lot of, I'm going to label this things I've been doing during social distancing. Line. All right, so one of the things that I've been doing a lot of is I've been working in the yard. I've been cutting grass, I've been putting down pine straw, I've been doing all kinds of stuff with working in the yard. Something else that I've been doing a lot with Colt is we've been playing outside. The weather's been warm and sunny for the most part. We've been playing outside a lot. Let me think. We have had a lot of movie nights. We have been watching a lot of different things on Disney Plus, on Netflix. Let's see, something else we've done a lot of is walking around the neighborhood. Also, you know I love cars. I've been working on my cars. I've also been playing board games. Let me see how many ideas I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see if I can think about just one more. Oh, something I've been really doing and really enjoying. I've been grilling, been cooking a lot more. All right, so now that I have some ideas down, I am going to kind of narrow it down to 2 or 3 ideas that I could write more about in my notebook. Now, if you have a notebook, great. I would love for you to actually write down some things because you've been doing so much things digitally. But we're going to take what we're doing here and we're going to put it into a post. I'm also going to give you an example on the discussion post so that way you can see what we're doing. But I would love for you to find some paper around the house, staple some papers together. I actually had a notebook that I could write in. So I'm going to choose 2 to 3 of these that I can kind of give a little bit more information about. So let me show you what that's going to look like. Let me see. Playing outside. I can give you a lot of more details about that. So some details that I can give you about playing outside. We have been playing. I've been playing fetch with my dog. We've been drawing with chalk with Colt. I bought some kites on Amazon that would flying a kite. Just ordered a remote control truck that me and Colt are going to be playing with. Let me see, what else have we been doing? Oh, we've been having races. Alright, so I gave you some more details about that. Let me see, what else could I choose? Working in the yard. So I've been cutting grass, edging, weed eating, which doesn't sound like that much fun, but it passes the time. It keeps me busy. I get tired of being on the computer all day sometimes, so that helps me to not go crazy. Weed eating. What else besides weed eating? Pine straw. We've planted some flowers. me see if there's anything. Oh, working on my cars. So there was one day over spring break that I washed 6 cars in one day. It was a nice day. My cars have been dirty from all the pollen, so I decided to wash a bunch of them. I got 6 of them washed. Also got my 1958 Beetle running. It had been sitting for a while and it wasn't running, so I got it running good. I changed the oil on a car. Alright. So now I've given you several examples of things. I've elaborated on several of these. So what we're going to do now is we're going to choose one idea and we're going to write about it. Or we're going to put it on our discussion post. Alright? So if you're not sure what to do on the discussion post, make sure you view my example that I'm going to type up for you. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them. I'm looking forward to seeing your writing.